No need to pay. Coming up, I've got 5 best free pieces of software that you can use on your computer. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing I'd like to do is wish my American viewers and subscribers a happy Independence Day. Hope you can celebrate it during these times. Stay safe and enjoy yourself. If you're new here, it's great to have you along. I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button. Loads more things to come. If you're not and you're returning, welcome back and thanks for being here. This week is all about software. More importantly, it's free software. This is all stuff that I use currently or have used in the past, so it does come highly recommended. Whether it's video editing, antivirus, or office suites, there was something there for you. And just because it's free, it doesn't mean it's bad. These are feature packed and highly recommended. Let's get started and have a look what we've got. The first one is an absolute powerhouse for free software, and it's DaVinci Resolve, currently 16. Now I've only been using this probably for the last 6 weeks, especially since I started this YouTube channel. I moved on from a paid video editor over to DaVinci Resolve 16, which is completely free. It still baffles me how they can do this for free. Now, like I said, DaVinci Resolve is a video editing tool, but it's all in one program. So it doesn't just do the video editing. It has color correction. You can do visual effects. It also includes audio post-production, all in the one tool and all for free. Now it is feature packed and there is loads, and I wouldn't say it's a steep learning curve, but there is a lot to learn. But you can get off the ground pretty easily in doing your video editing. It's very easy to download, it's easy to get started, and there's hundreds of tutorials on YouTube to get you started. Let's have a look at it.
Okay, so the link's down below. If you click on that, this is what it'll take you to. This is the Black Magic Design. That's the company that do DaVinci Resolve. When you get to this page, it'll tell you a bit about what's going on. It'll tell you a bit about DaVinci Resolve, what's new. If you want the download, go right to the bottom. When you get to the bottom, there are 2 download links, one for the free version, one for the paid version. I'm going to ignore the paid version for this video because all we're interested in is the free version. Click on download. Once it's downloaded, install. Once it's installed, I can't remember if it opens up automatically or not, but you'll end up with these 2 icons on your desktop. The colored one is the one you want. Click on Resolve and open it. You will get this screen and it will start loading. Okay, once it opens up, for the first time you won't have anything, you'll just have this red box saying Untitled Project. Either click on that or click on New Project at the bottom. Give it a name and it will open up. These are my projects. I will open this, which is this video that you're watching now. We will open that. Now this is opened up directly in the Deliver tab. Now this is the main features. I'm not going to go over video editing and every feature because it's so vast, it's unreal, and I'm still learning it myself. But briefly, you get your normal icons along the top, file edit, all that sort of stuff. What you're bothered about is along the bottom, you have these icons along the bottom. These are what you're going to use the most. The first one is the Media tab. This is where you import all your media. Once you've imported your media, you would go to either Cut or Edit tab. I don't use Cut. I don't think a lot of people do. It has a reason it's there. I haven't explored it yet. However, the Media tab is your one that you're going to use mainly. It's all customizable. This is your main timeline. This is your video you're working on. You can put another one in here, cut it, all that sort of stuff. Video transitions, audio transition, titles. That's your main edit tab. Next one is Fusion. Fusion is your animations, titles, all that sort of stuff. Again, it's vast. There's so much to learn in this. It's a fantastic tool. The next one is color correction. This is where you make your video look great. Fine tuning those colors to make it look fantastic. Once that's done, you can, if you want to go even deeper into the audio, this is what Black magic design called Fairlight. This is where you do post-production audio. Bit too advanced for me at the moment, but I will get into it, I'm sure. And then once you finish, you go to the end tab, which is the Deliver tab, set your settings, add to render queue and start render, and it will render from there. Put it in the DaVinci folder and it's ready for you to use as you want. Explore it, it's such a powerful tool.
The next one is antivirus, and it's BitDefender free. Now, with any antivirus software, there is a trade-off. You will only get some of the basic features and it will only give you the basic protection. So if all you're doing is simple browsing and simple word processing on your machine, it should be adequate for what you're doing. But it's always advisable to move to a paid version, and if you're going to move to a paid version, I do suggest you go to BitDefender. But this is about free software. Why am I recommending it? Well, I use the paid version of BitDefender and I think it's excellent. So the free version operates pretty much the same way, again, only with the basic features. But it's designed to run in the background. It's not intrusive in any way. Its malware scans, detection and removal are all done automatically, unless you change it. But it's simple, effective, and it does the job. Now the next one is Libre Office. Now most people need some sort of office suite for word processing and that sort of stuff. And obviously the most popular one, or the most well known, are the Microsoft Office utilities. However, for the full function they do cost and people are reluctant to pay that. And LibreOffice is one of those alternatives. It's completely free and fully compatible with all Office file formats. Now it's feature rich and easy to get used to. Now it might look like a lot of features are missing once you first look at it, and they are initially, but there's a huge collection of downloadable content and plugins which also improve its integration with other programs. Let's have a quick look.
Head over to the LibreOffice website, and you'll find it here. You'll find all the details that you want to do. Have a look around. But if you go to the download page and just download there. Once downloaded, open the installer. And let it run. Once it's finished, you will get this icon. And open it up. Once you open it, you will get the home page as such, with you can drag and drop into there and it will open in the corresponding program, or you can use the program to open what you want. Writer is for Word, Calc is the spreadsheets, Impress is for PowerPoint, Draw is Visio, Maths there to write formulas as such, and Databases for databases. I mentioned earlier about the lack of templates and stuff, but if you click on extensions here, it will open up this web page where you've got extensions and templates repository. Have a look around. You can search by tag filters. Scroll to the bottom. There's 28 pages of extensions and templates. Have a play around.
The next one is a well-known one, and I'm sure most people use it. For those that don't, it's called VLC. It's probably one of the first programs I download whenever I get a new laptop or a new PC, and I've used it for years. What is it? Well, it's a media player. It supports almost all file formats without the need to download additional codecs. And with its range of downloadable plugins, it can be extended almost infinitely. And finally, we've got something called Patch My PC. This free program runs on Windows PCs and it runs update checks on installed software. Currently supports over 300 third-party applications, and it takes out that tedious work of installing and updating your installed software. Simple to use. There you go. I hope you got something from that. All links will be in the description. There are hundreds, thousands of free programs out there, so there'll be many more of these videos in the future. If you know of some free software that you highly recommend, let me know in the comments and I may feature it in a future video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'll stick that up here. Come and join the gang. And there's another video here that I think you might find interesting. Until next week, guys, catch you later.